Your 20s are not just another phase of life, they are the foundation decade that determines how hard or how easy the rest of your financial life will be. And the biggest mistake most people make is treating these years casually instead of strategically. You don't need to be rich in your 20s, but you do need to build systems that will make you rich later, because time is the most powerful multiplier you will ever have. The first and most important way to multiply your money in your 20s is investing early, consistently, and patiently, even when the amounts feel insignificant. Most people believe investing only matters once they earn a high salary. But compounding doesn't care about your income level, it cares about how early you start and how long you stay invested. When you put money into long-term assets like index funds, ETFs, dividend-paying stocks, or well-researched growth investments, your money begins working around the clock. You earn returns on your original investment, then returns on those returns. And over time that snowball becomes powerful enough to outpace inflation, salary raises, and even your own effort. The key here is discipline, not timing. Stop trying to predict the market, stop chasing hype, and stop waiting for the perfect moment. Automate your investments, invest through market ups and downs, and let time do what no job ever can. Multiply your money without requiring your presence. The second way to multiply your money in your 20s is investing heavily in yourself and your earning power. Because at this stage your income potential is far more important than your current savings. Skills are assets that never crash, and upgrading your skills increases your income faster than any traditional investment. Learning high-income, future-proof skills like digital marketing, coding, data analysis, design, sales, public speaking, content creation, or even financial literacy can open doors that didn't exist before. Spending money on education, tools, mentorship, and experiences that sharpen your skills is not wasting money. It's planting seeds that will pay you back for decades. The more valuable you become in the marketplace, the easier everything else becomes. Saving feels easier, investing becomes automatic, and opportunities start finding you instead of you chasing them. The third way to multiply your money in your 20s is building multiple income streams early and reinvesting aggressively, because relying on a single paycheck limits both your growth and your security. Side incomes don't need to be massive to be powerful. Freelancing, consulting, online services, digital products, content monetization, dividend income, or small businesses can all start small and grow over time. What matters is consistency and reinvestment. Instead of spending extra income on lifestyle upgrades, use it to buy assets, improve your skills, and expand your systems. This is how momentum is created. Most financially successful people didn't suddenly get rich, they compounded income, skills, and discipline over many years. One of the most important mindset shifts you can make in your 20s is understanding that wealth is built quietly, not loudly. You don't need to look rich. You need to become financially stable. Live below your means. Avoid high-interest debt. Build an emergency fund, and protect your capital before taking risks. Avoid chasing fast money, get-rich-quick schemes, or lifestyle pressure from social media. Those things delay wealth. They don't create it. Your goal in your 20s should be simple. Earn, save, invest, learn, and repeat. Progress will feel slow at first, but slow growth done consistently beats fast growth.